The next one up's Kenny McRae, and I don't think I've heard this one, Kenny. Is Ye Cannae Win?
What one?
Ye Cannae Win?
Oh yeah.
Ever? Oh well.
I was good here earlier. I'll do that just to please you.
Cannae Win.
Once you've heard it, you've heard it afterwards. Anyway, I'm going to do this in the next day. We'll get time. Ye Cannae Win. We're walking down a dark road one night. A hooded man jumped out and gives me a fright. He asked, "Where you going to, my friend?" Me, "Oh, I'm just going to the road end." He said nae may as with me he strode, staying close aside me along the road. As we walked along, something was no right. His eyes under the hood were shining bright. There's something about him that's evil and grim. I quicken my pace to get rid of him. He's covered all in a big cape. To get off of him, I must escape. Have you heard it, John? His cape was on a gear squeal. He's an angel for hell, Satan, the deal. He's dressed other from head to foot, in a body hugging, tight black suit. I'm going to need a wee drink of water. That's all I see as I take off, just as quick as you can cough. He comes after me, that's all I need, but I'm right behind, at build speed. I feel his foot breath on my back, and at my speed, I dinna slack. I feel his hand on my shoulder, he's getting close and getting bolder. I give a dodge to get him to slip. It's just about then I heard a rip. His suit had torn from head to foot. He was new, I hadn't a doubt. In his head, horn like an old deer, a long 40 tail hung from his rear. In his hand he had a trident, what it was for was evident. With that long pronged spear, he gave me a jab in my rear. He shouted as he jabbed my bum, "Come on with me, so come on, come. I've got your name in my black book." With these words, my hale body shook. With a spurt, I heard down the street, as if wings were fixed at my feet. I'm fleeing down the road, pell-mell, trying to get rid of that angel for hell. He shouted, "Doesn't matter how fast you flee, you'll never get away from me." He opens his mouth, gives out a great laugh. His hand shoots out and grips my scarf. "I've got you now, you needn't yell, you're coming with me down to hell." I turned round and grabbed his beak. Gives it a twist, he gives a shriek. His hands quickly open and I get loose. I open a door and go into this house. By a strange twist of fate or a quirk, I had stumbled into a kirk. I slammed the door on the deal's face, knowing he'll no follow me into this place. He's hammering on the day, but I've turned the key. He shouted, "Come out of there, they'd be better with me." A bright light shining down from the high altar. A soft voice beckoned, "Come for it," then he faltered. "We're no usually open at night this late. Would you like but something in the plate?" I wanted to laugh. It all seemed funny. Since after my life, the other, my money.
Ken McRae there, he keeps some strange company, I'll tell you.